Hey, it's Wes.
And Shonda, and welcome
welcome
to
to DinkLife.
DinkLife. We're here at our Shea again for Oddmall, which I don't think we've taped one of these yet.
No.
But anyway, they have these a couple times a year.
Yeah.
Sometimes they're themed, and this one is Halloween. Obviously, we're getting close to Halloween. Oddmall is like an arts and crafts show, but as you can tell by the name of it, it's odd. It's
Yeah,
weird
weird
things. It's
stuff,
things
yep.
you don't usually see at craft fairs. Like normally you go to craft fairs and you see like country stuff, towels and
Yeah.
wood carvings, and this is a little different. So
Yeah.
we decided we'd bring you along with us this time so you could see what kind of stuff they have here. But we love it. It's kind of cool.
Yeah, it's cool
And
stuff.
we usually end up coming to like 2 or 3 of these a year. So we're gonna go in and see what's doing. Come with us.
One thing I want to mention is me and Shonda didn't notice this was called Oddmall Uncensored, the horror show. So it wasn't just a Halloween show, it's also uncensored. So since this show was uncensored, there was parental discretion is advised. Children were welcome to the show, but parents should be aware that they might see some stuff that you can't unsee. I didn't catch his vendor's name, but I thought his 3D prints were very impressive. He did a lot of multicolor stuff, and his prices were very reasonable. Also, it's rare to see Uranium Glass. And then, yeah, there was lots of just random Halloween stuff scattered around. Ghoul Bros were also at Oddmall. They run a haunted house in Akron, Ohio. I've heard very good things about it. I still would like to try it out soon. Hopefully we'll get to it this Halloween. Vendors were spread all over our Shea's, top floor and bottom. The sign stated that there were supposedly 151 vendors here. There were some very unusual pieces of art that I've never seen anywhere else at this. I thought these dolls were very cool, very creepy. This artist hand painted baby dolls, and then every tag on the doll was actually supposedly a real human being's death certificate that she found and like recreated for each doll, and each one's a unique death certificate. None of them are doubles.
Things like this, he's so loving.
Yeah, he looks super, yeah.
How do you like that? Look at, he's falling asleep right now.
I mean, listen, Wadsworth is still an asshole. He's in my cyber picture, so,
Yeah.
This was actually the first furry I've ever seen in real life. This vendor told us a lot of tattoo parlors buy this sign, please don't do coke in the bathroom. There were scare actors scattered around the festival from Ghoul Brothers. There was also one that was a little creepy, to say the least. Hey, and there's some special pillows you've never seen before. I really like this artist's work. Just had a creepy retro vibe to it. I thought this shirt was funny. Everybody has a family member that deserves that shirt. This artist crochet works amazing. I've seen her stuff several times. It's really funny sayings. This was also the first time in an Oddmall that I saw so much paraphernalia. I guess that was part of the uncensored part. This vendor had a bunch of Yooperlite for sale. I've never seen it before. I guess it's some rock from Michigan's Upper Peninsula, but it was really neat because if you put a black light up to it or a UV light, it lit up like it was almost on fire. Really cool stuff. I really like this vendor's artwork too. It just had a cute, creepy style to it. Really cool stuff. This vendor's stuff was actually made out of real eggs. It was really cool, super delicate looking. The plants were awesome looking.
Alright, so we just left Oddmall, and I gotta tell you, this was one of the better ones that we've been to.
Yeah, really good.
I spent probably a lot more money than I should have.
It was a little more adult oriented than
I
most
would
of
say
them.
that too.
Yeah.
There were penises everywhere.
Yes.
Penis and vagina everywhere.
Yeah. Which I have not seen at the other ones.
No, correct. Although I bought some candles and some earrings and some popcorn and, you know, just all kinds of stuff. Like, I spent way more money than I was planning to. And the fact that it was at a brewery, which I think was probably extremely smart,
Yeah.
Allowed us to walk around with a beer in our hand, which means I'm going to spend more money. I drink, I spend.
Yeah.
That's kind of how it goes. And then the cool thing was we were also able to eat lunch at our Shea, and they do have some great food here. So, I mean, I would say all in all, it was a great day. It was a lot of fun. Unfortunately, it was only yesterday and today. But, you know, I do say, you know, if you're in the area and there's ever an Oddmall going on,
yeah.
no matter where it is, they always have some really cool
Yeah.
stuff.
And I was going to say, I think the Ghoul Brothers were walking around. Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
We're walking around inside the scene.
Which is
too.
a haunted house. The Ghoul Brothers run a haunted house that's right by our house.
Yeah.
We've actually never been to it. But they did give us a coupon, so we might check it out this year if we can.
Yeah.
See if we can take you along with us to that too. But I will say this is probably one of the best Oddmalls that we've been to.
Yeah.
It was a lot of fun, and I really enjoyed it. And there was a
Yeah,
lot
some
of
new
people
stuff.
in there.
Yeah, some new stuff that I haven't seen before.
A lot of new stuff we haven't seen before. So it was just a good time. It was a nice way to spend a Sunday afternoon. And remember, as always, whatever you decide to do, just get out there and do it.